Hi everyone. In today's video we are gonna learn how to create this amazing preset which you can use for your own photos to improve them. This preset was created on our subscribers' request. Do not forget, you also can download the preset on our website, presetstore.com. The link is down below the video. Just pay your attention to the right top corner, where you will find the password which appears twice during the video. Also, we made the same color correction for video. So now you can have your photo and video content in one style. Which is awesome, isn't it? You are able to use this loot in any video editor you got. Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut and even VN Editor for mobile phones. You can find the link to the video loot down below in the description. Guys, if you need the preset right now, if you have no time to watch this video and repeat after me or look for a password to download it for free, you can just go to our website presetstore.com and find your favorite color correction there. It's not for free but it's worth that. Every presets contains from 3 to 6 versions for PC and mobile platforms of Lightroom. Check it out guys. Let's start creating the preset.
How do you know? How you feel?
done it. It looks very nice now. Definitely much better than it was before. I just hope that you got the same result. Guys, if you haven't found the preset that you need, just leave you comment below and describe that you wanna get, and probably the next art tutorial will be about your color correction. So, that's it for now. Enjoy your new preset, and see you again.